How to withdraw money from Robinhood to bank account. Need to withdraw cash from Robinhood? No sweat. This video shows you how to do it in under 90 seconds. Open the Robinhood app and tap the cash icon. It looks like two squares. This takes you to your cash tab, where your buying power and settled funds reside. See that transfer button? Tap it to initiate the withdrawal process. Now, choose transfer to your bank from the options. This is where you'll send your money back to your bank account. Select the bank account you want to transfer the money to. Robinhood should show your linked accounts here. Finally, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-click everything looks good. Double-check everything looks good. Then tap transfer to confirm. Robinhood will usually process your withdrawal within a few business days. Standard transfers are free, but take a few days. For faster withdrawals, usually within 1 to 3 business days, Robinhood offers instant transfers, but there might be a small fee depending on the amount. And that's all. Robinhood makes withdrawing your money simple. Remember, it might take a few days to see the funds reflected in your bank account. Easy, right? Now you can withdraw your cash from Robinhood whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Robinhood tips.